Performance Youth Summit 2020. And with your lovely smile, we are already set to get inspired.
Hello everyone. Thank you so much, Parul. Thank you for inviting.
अलग अलग तरीकों से बातें करते हैं, अलग अलग इंस्टाग्राम हो, फेसबुक हो, बट लोगों की हेल्प करना, एक तार से दूसरा तार जोड़ना और उसके बाद एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म तैयार करना जो आज लोगों को बदल रहा है, इतना सब कुछ इतनी अच्छी स्माइल के साथ कैसे पॉसिबल हुआ? वी वुड वांट टू हियर योर जर्नी from you, with you, us together.
If I would like to share about पूला के बारे में कि क्या है पूला, क्या है और कैसे शुरुआत हुई. What I understand is, of course, all the audience today is the youth here, and everybody would be on Facebook. I'm sure everybody's addicted to social media. Most of y'all would be on Instagram. All of y'all would have WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter accounts, and even I made the best use of the same. 5 years ago, or rather more than before that, when I was on my maternity break, and I was a part of a lot of Facebook groups. So I realized the power of social media, because whenever I wanted any kind of help, I wanted, maybe a doctor for my baby, or I wanted to travel somewhere and understand the best hotels in that area, or as simple as I wanted, some kind of review in some area, and I wanted to find out on social media very easily, putting up and reading about somewhere. And I understood the power of social media because people used to share their insights, and even I should read a lot of stories about different mothers and journey of women, etc. So I did a little of research, and I found out that my own city, Pune, did not have any such kind of Facebook group where we could support each other. And that's when I realized that यार अपने पुणे में ही ऐसा कोई ग्रुप नहीं है, तो मैं क्यों ना कुछ ऐसा शुरू करूं. So that's when I started forming this group, and because me being a school teacher before that, and being from that principles कि नहीं थोड़े rules regulations होने चाहिए, that's why when that's how this group will be successful. So I came up with certain guidelines, certain principles, certain rules, and formed this group. Since day one, we had certain rules, and came up with this group. And to be very honest, 3 basic reasons why I started this group. One, of course, because I saw that I wanted the women of our city to benefit for mutual benefit by connecting with each other for their needs. Two, I wanted every woman of our city to be financially independent, and I'll of course talk about how, why, and more. Supporting by giving them either a job or helping them start a business sitting at home with minimum investment. And 3, though we are in the 21st century and we talk about so much of freedom and independence, but still there are a lot of women who go through domestic violence and mental violence, and the different kind of abuses and all. And I wanted to break the culture of silence. So that's how I thought, with these 3 strong reasons, I wanted to set up this group. And we started growing. I had 300 friends, female friends on Facebook who were from Pune and who were female. एंड वो ग्रुप वहां से शुरुआत की, और आज के तारीख में हमारे 5 साल पूरे हो गए हैं, एंड वी आर लाइक 2,25,000 members on this group. And I take this number very proudly, because it's a very organic number. It's a very filtered number, because we have an approval growth of only 20%. That means जब 1,000 profiles हमारे inbox में आते हैं, तब जाके 200 profiles approve होते हैं. हम just for the sake of growth हम नहीं approve करते हैं. हमारे लिए quality बहुत important है, and because it is a woman based group, उनकी security बहुत important है. तो फेक प्रोफाइल्स भी बहुत आ सकते हैं, तो हम लोग बहुत स्क्रूटिनिटी, बहुत माइन्यूट डिटेल्स के साथ चेक करते हैं प्रोफाइल, और फिर अप्रूव करते हैं. So there's a lot to it, and of course there's a lot of support that happens at the back end. It's a support group finally, and we're doing great.
You are definitely doing great. और मुझे लगता है सपोर्ट के लिए अब नरेंद्र सर आ चुके हैं. नरेंद्र सर, over to you.
Thanks. Sonia, so good to see you again.
Same here. I was waiting for you.
And who is this Sonia? The earlier Sonia I knew was looking different.
Yeah, it's nearly half the size, right?
Yeah, I mean, I wanted to ask you, do you have a twin sister or something?
It's the same one, just size.
Wow, you're looking very, 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 very healthy, fit,
Thank you so much.
and delightful. I'm so glad.
Thank you.
So glad. I'm coming to you for personal tips very soon.
Sure, but you don't need it.
Okay, friends, let me tell you a little about Sonia. I will not say anything about Sonia जो सोशल मीडिया में है, जो आप लोग गूगल कर सकते हो. मैं सोनिया के बारे में बात करूंगा जो एक दोस्त दूसरे दोस्त के बारे में बात करता है. सोनिया से मुलाकात हुई मेरी करीब 2-2.5 साल पहले. हम लोगों ने थोड़ा फोन में बात किया, फिर सोनिया ऑफिस आई थी और हम लोगों ने एक छोटा सा वीडियो शूट किया था. और वीडियो शूट का टाइटल था पेरेंटिंग. और जब हम लोग आपस में बात कर रहे थे, सोनिया कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछ रही थी, मैं उसके कुछ आंसर्स दे रहा था. एकदम दिल की बात, ऑनेस्ट बात. एंड शी इज सच एन ऑनेस्ट लेडी, सच अ हार्टफेल्ट लेडी. It was one of the most beautiful experiences that we had.
Crying. I remember that. I remember that interview. I was crying in front of so many people. It was so embarrassing. I will never forget that interview.
But you know, Sonia, I really believe that tears are the most honest of all human emotions. मतलब किसी के सामने किसी चीज को लेके अगर आंसू आ जाए, वो बहुत प्योर एक्सपीरियंस होता है. So I'm so glad we had what we had that day.
It was a very heart-to-heart talk about children, of course, and because I have a daughter, a growing daughter, and that was the topic that day. So I could relate to it, and I think that's how the emotions just came out.
Yeah. And you know, there are very rare people where you kind of meet only once. I think I've met Sonia only once. But I am super fond of this lady. And for anything and everything, I call upon her every now and then. There are some people who make you believe that they are made for big things. Now, I'm not talking about big achievements, a bigger house, a bigger car, a bigger following on social media. I believe impact. कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जहां उनकी वजह से लगता है कि दुनिया थोड़ी बेहतर बन सकती है, जिसको ना, जो आपके अंदर उम्मीद भरता है. कभी कभी उसके पीछे जो मेहनत होती है, जो कुर्बानियां होती है, जो उनको खुद को सहना पड़ता है, वो हमको किसी को नहीं दिखता है. मतलब बॉर्डर्स में सोल्जर्स है, ये सबको मालूम है, लेकिन वो सोल्जर के ऊपर क्या बीतती है, उसके परिवार की क्या कुर्बानियां होती है, वो मुझको और आपको कभी मालूम भी नहीं पड़ेगा. So while the whole world knows Sonia for Pula and a community of 2.25 lakh women, I am sure that some extraordinary efforts would have gone behind it. और सिर्फ मेहनत की बात नहीं है, मेहनत के साथ में काफी कुर्बानियां होंगी, काफी तकलीफें होंगी, काफी कॉम्प्लिकेशंस होंगी, और उसके बावजूद इतने अच्छे तरीके से कम्युनिटी को बनाना, उसको सस्टेन करना. सोनिया, hats off to you.
Thank you so much. Thanks, Naren. It really feels great when it's coming from you.
Now, Sonia, when you go through hardships, and especially because it's a gender-specific group, there must be a few complications every now and then. Handle कैसे करती हो?
So just to share with the audience, the group that I run is on Facebook, and ये closed group है, तो of course बहुत सारे complications हमारे पास आते हैं, of course because limitations हो जाते हैं, and there are more than 2 lakh women, gender specific ladies, on the group. एंड आज हम घर में 4 लोग रहते हैं, 4 लोगों की सोच मिल नहीं पाती एक दूसरे से। और यहाँ ग्रुप पे जब 2 लाख लोग हैं और एक कोई पोस्ट आती है फॉर एग्जाम्पल, और सब लोग हमारे एक दूसरे विचार उस पे दे आर कमेंटिंग, दे आर पुटिंग अप देयर ओन थॉट प्रोसेस एंड इट मे नॉट मैच. So to be very honest, we've laid down some rules which we follow very clearly. One, you cannot defame anyone at any point. You cannot use any slang language. You cannot abuse anyone. You need to be respectful first. Whatever you want to put up your point anywhere, because that's how you will still maintain the platform very well. So you can still debate, you can take the point forward, but when there's an argument which goes wrong, then of course we have certain we have a huge team who manages the group, so we have certain rights where we either turn off the post, or we, if it's very we don't allow post on religion because everybody loves their own religion. We don't allow post on politics at all. So we have certain guidelines which are placed and we follow that. जब आप ये follow करते हो, it's very clear. Yani, you are being fair to everyone. Not biased at all. And that's how you maintain, you are absolutely, ethical and practical towards your group. So that's the first thing that, how we maintain a group. जो आप कह रहे हो कि कैसे आप मैनेज करते हो पूरा ग्रुप.
तो जैसे सुनिए, तुम्हारे पास एक कुछ कोर ग्रुप होगी ना, कुछ 6, 8, 10, 15 लोग होंगे, बड़े डिसीजन साथ में मिलके लेती होगी. तो ये ग्रुप के फंक्शनिंग में अगर डिफरेंसेस आते हैं तो कैसे सॉल्व करती हो?
तो जो हमारी टीम है, बेसिकली सबसे पहले उनको जो हम सिखाते हैं, it's important for all of us to be on the same thought process. So if we all are on the same thought process, then we can manage the group together. अगर हम लोग ही साथ में नहीं हैं और हमारे में ही डिफरेंसेस है और हमारे ही थॉट प्रोसेस मैच नहीं हो रहे हैं, then it doesn't make sense. So it's my responsibility that I manage my team in such a way and I take them along together and keep them together. That is my responsibility of managing my team together. Then it is a team's responsibility to manage the group together. And I think that is one of the secret success story, points you could say is why Poola is successful today.
You must have gone through a lot of backbiting.
Absolutely, who doesn't?
And especially sometimes it happens from people whom you trusted, people whom you helped. Out there on the public world, they might be appreciating you a lot. But behind, when you listen to something else going on, especially because you have such a large community, how do you deal with that at a personal level?
Actually, Naren, हम जो humans हैं, gossip करना या फिर backbiting करना is one of a person's nature. बहुत लोगों को मजा आता है और बहुत लोग समझ नहीं पाते कि हमें कहाँ तक रोकना चाहिए. One is a healthy way, one is some people take it to the defamation level also. Of course, बुरा क्यों नहीं लगेगा? बुरा तो बहुत लगता है, because the field that I am today in, we are working to support people, right? We are actually working in such a way where we want to help a lot of people grow.
Yes.
There are a lot of fights, there are a lot of ideas that we bring in every single day to upgrow this group. अब जब कुछ और सुनाई देता है, one, it's on us, do you want to trust? Because we all need to understand, even today as friends, like of course who all are listening, it's a very simple thing. You're a group of friends, a group of 5 friends. A listens to B, but when the B tells the same thing to C, you will add or twist the story a little bit and tell it to C. When the C tells to D, again it will not go exactly the same and may twist or add something and tell to D. So when D comes back and tells to A, again the story is not the same and it is a little bit different.
Yeah.
So you're not sure what A told exactly, is it true?
Wow.
So I as a matured person, I will not always, so this is what is my learning now, after so many years, when somebody comes and tells me, Sonia, pata hai kya, maine tumhare baare mein ye suna. So I really don't trust this anymore now. Because I have now understood and come to that conclusion that people love adding that mirch masala or twerking the story and then putting it forward. So why should I spoil the relation with the person A,
Beautiful,
who must have not actually said that?
beautiful, beautiful.
I am such a person, if I have good relations with the person A, I love solving it.
Super.
Have you said this? And if you've said this, let's resolve it. If I want to keep the relation. अगर आपके लिए वो मैटर नहीं करता है वो बंदा, तो ठीक है, यानी आप उसको किस तरह से भी ले सकते हो. It always depends upon what the situation is, what the story is, कौन आपको कितना बुरा बोल रहा है, क्या बोल रहा है, कैसे है. But yeah, there are a lot of times you feel hurt क्योंकि आपने मेहनत तो बहुत की है, लोग उसको बुरा बोल रहे हैं. But I really feel जब आप कुछ सक्सेसफुल कर रहे हो, लोग आपके बारे में बात 100% करने वाले हैं. You need to make yourself so strong that it should not hurt you anymore.
So when somebody is successful, people are bound to express an opinion about you or talk about you.
Absolutely. And when I was in the growing level in the starting 2 years, I was extremely emotional as a person. I used to literally cry many days and I used to feel weak. But later on, I changed myself as a personality and I started thinking more practically. And I balanced myself between the emotional person I was and I was trying to become a practical person. So that's how I became a balanced person. And now I love the person I am now. I know how to handle situations much more strongly. I know how to manage people well. When people say something, I know how to manage that. I don't cry now. Now, if we have an interview, I will not cry.
I'm glad we are having the extreme of emotions. You know, today there is so much laughter that we are having. Okay, tell me something, Sonia. You know so many women. You work with so many women. Forgive me if my questions are a little more towards woman-centric.
It's okay.
A large part of our audience over here must also be women, and वो पूरे देश से हैं. तो कोई उत्तर प्रदेश से भी है, राजस्थान से भी है, बिहार से भी है. आज अगर कोई नवयुवती है 18, 20, 22 and she is thinking about her life, और सोनिया उस दौर से गुजर चुकी है और सोनिया ने सोशल मीडिया को देखा है, उसके पावर को देखा है, उसके पिटफॉल्स और सेटबैक्स को भी देखा है. What would you tell the girls to begin with? Because they are in the beginning of their life. So सोनिया ने शायद जिंदगी में कुछ गलतियां की होंगी, थोड़ी आगे पीछे घूम के उसको रास्ता मिला होगा. तो अगर इन लड़कियों को बताना है कि देखो तुमको अगर जिंदगी के बारे में सोचना है ना, थोड़ा ऐसे सोचो, क्या बोलना चाहोगे?
Naren, I think I have not got your question.
I'll reframe. Today, unfortunately, we live in a country where men and women are still not the same largely. There are a microscopic families जहाँ पे लड़का लड़की दोनों को इक्वल ट्रीटमेंट मिलता है, लेकिन अधिकतर अपने देश में अभी भी वो नहीं मिलता है. लेकिन आज हमारे देश की जो लड़कियां हैं उनमें टैलेंट भी है, उनके अंदर सपने भी हैं, लेकिन परिवार की कुछ मजबूरियां हैं, सिचुएशंस कुछ ऐसी हैं. तो 20 साल की जो आज एक नवयुवती है, शी इज लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू लाइफ नाउ. उनको तुम क्या बोलना चाहोगे?
See, of course, there are a lot of families और हर एक फैमिली अलग होती है. सबके फैमिली में वो सपोर्ट तो ऑफ कोर्स नहीं मिलता है. जहाँ किसी के फैमिली में, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आज मेरी फैमिली ले लो, मेरी एक ही बच्ची है, गर्ल चाइल्ड है, और हम हमारे फैमिली में वो भेदभाव नहीं रखते कि लड़की है और ये लड़का है या जो है। आज अगर भगवान के सामने नारियल भी फोड़ना है तो हम उसको बोलते कि तुम नारियल फोड़ो, ऐसा नहीं है कि माय हस्बैंड वो नारियल फोड़ेगा। तो यानी वो बात हो गई। यानी हम ना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस जेंडर को देते हैं हमारी दुनिया में, विच आई फील वी आर ह्यूमंस फर्स्ट। आई डोंट नो व्हाई हम इंडिया में जेंडर को क्यों इंपॉर्टेंस देते हैं। अलग लाइंस लगाओ, अलग फॉर्म्स भरो। आई डोंट नो, व्हाट यू आर सेइंग इज एब्सोल्युटली राइट कि ये जेंडर्स को, एंड आई एम नॉट ऑफ दैट पर्सन कि सब जगह, even today I have a daughter and I am really scared for her when she steps out in the morning 6 o'clock in the dark to just go for a cycle ride. And my husband is standing in the balcony, till she comes back. So all these young girls, who are now aspirant, who are looking forward to do something in life, I would just tell that what you need to do is show that trust to your family. Because you're at that stage today, it's the same talk that I have with my daughter, that you're in that stage today that the world is full of, what is the word? Like, the world is there's so much to experience, and there is so much that will attract you. You need to understand what to choose, what is right for you, what is wrong for you. And a lot of wrong that will attract. So taking the decision that is this what I need to do at this age, because your parents are there. See, I don't know, I can give an example, but again I don't want to, because that can be right for you. At a young age, a lot of children may start smoking, may start drinking. They find it very cool. Because their friends are saying, "Arey, ek fag lene mein kya hoga yaar? It's very cool." But a lot of they don't understand that it can get addicted. It's very addictive, at that age, just with that word cool. It hurts the ego at that age, and they start, into that line, that addiction from that age. So that's not what they need to focus at. What they need to focus at is what they want to become. When they start, what is their ambition? If they start working, when we were young, or 20 years ago, when I, was passing out college and I was looking to start work, nobody gave me the knowledge that, Sonia, when you're going to get your first salary, are you going to save something from the salary and invest somewhere? Nobody gave me that knowledge. Today, had somebody given me the knowledge of investing that little money from my salary, I would have had a lot of money saved. I have no investments from that money. We started saving money after 10 years of our work life. Nobody gave us that knowledge that time. So the age, when you're at that age of 20, you're still studying. By the age of 24, you'll start working. So at the age of 24, you need to understand, with that money that you're going to get at that age, you start earning 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, 40,000, 10% of it minimum. Please invest, please save. These are the small tips, I would like to give, which are the mistakes that we made.
Brilliant. Sonia, you're a very wise woman.
Thank you.
I think you just told us a lie. You passed out of college 20 years ago?
No, I think even I just...
Unbelievable. If you had told 5 years ago, I would have believed you.
वो भी झूठ है फिर.
Very interesting. Sonia, I have always thought that I'm a very liberal father. I'm not gender bound. I look at human beings as human beings. My daughter shook me one day. She did something and I just said, but I'm so proud of you. She turned around and said, when Bhaiya does something right, have you ever told him that, Beti, I am very proud of you? I have done something good. Why are you telling me, Beta, I am very proud of you? I was like, my God, it is so deep. At a surface level, yes. But the girl does something great, right, proud, and we call ये मेरा बेटा है. भाई क्यों? ये मेरी बेटी है बोलो.
Correct.
And Sonia, after that day, I have never called her beta. I am very conscious when I am talking to another.
Small words can hurt them.
And she actually asked, why are you not calling भैया बेटी बहुत अच्छा किया तूने? मतलब अच्छा बेटा ही कर सकता है. So बाप रे, it has to be worked on. This was almost 10 years ago.
Correct.
It is my guiding memory. So I completely understand what you're saying about when the child is out and if it's a daughter, the father is standing in the balcony. I so much connect with that. You spoke about addiction. In Alcoholics Anonymous, they have an extraordinary saying. One drink is too many and 1,000 is not enough.
So true. Extremely true.
I don't think anybody else in the world has explained this much better than, a need to have one to look cool. Then one will be too many and 1,000 won't be enough. And another thing which I just picked up from what you said is, and this is an appeal to all the people out there, there are two kinds of trust. One is somebody whom you trust for their character. I trust Sonia for her character. Sonia trusts me. I trust many people. But there are some people whom you trust for the wisdom of life. I trust my father's character, but he may not be wise enough to guide me on how to run a training organization, which we do.
True. So true.
If we can find out whom you can trust with life, and like Sonia said, go to those people and ask, give me some life tips. Like Sonia just gave us a tip, and that is how the thinking started, that save 10% of your earning no matter what. Manage within 90%, 10% ko to haath hi nahi lagana. So if somebody can give 4, 5, 10 such tips, I think we are set for life. That's a little. Sonia, what would you think is the greatest obstacle you have overcome?
I think the greatest obstacle, I think obstacles are, we face them every day in life, and they are either small, big. We also, actually face them in terms of people.
Yeah.
We face them in terms of, sometimes they are in face of systems, policies.
Yeah.
And I think me being a person who's very solution oriented, I believe in finding solution to them. So the biggest obstacle, I'm really not being able to think as such. I could say losing 25 kgs this year.
I was about to suggest that in case you're not able to think, would it be something which is so near yet so far?
I got that this year. In the lockdown this year is what I couldn't do it for the last 15 years.
2 kgs every month. That's incredible, Sonia. Wow. Was there a time in your life where people doubted you or nobody believed in you, or people whose opinion is important to you did not believe in you, and yet you moved ahead? Did you ever have to face a situation where you wanted to do something and nobody believed you?
Of course, Naren, it happens. And I think this happens very frequently. To term it in a very simple way, this may happen with all of us rather. Today, we come up with a simple idea and there may be your teammates, your friends, your family. They may not understand that concept immediately. That vision you may get, you may foresee that vision for your organization, for your office, for your family, for your kids' future, or for your in case if it's the college going people, for your project. It could be for anybody. It's your vision. People may
Yeah.
not be able to understand that, and people may not be able to believe you, and it's happened with me a lot of times. I always say be the cheerleader for your own vision
Oh,
and
wow.
keep working on it.
Uh,
I'm sorry, I'm getting goosebumps right now because I have been through it a lot of times. I have fought for it. I have proved myself. I have made it a success story. And when people actually seeing it happening in real, people join. And then they join you and they say, oh, yes, you were right.
mm,
And then they want to join your vision, saying, no, 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 this was a fantastic thought.
absolutely. Be the cheerleader for your own dreams. Wow.
This has happened a lot of times, and I'm not talking about when I use the word vision. Because when we talk about these terms, fancy terms, we talk about like long goals and all. No, no, no. मैं सिंपल बात कर रही हूँ. Like अगर मैं कहती हूँ मेरे टीम को कि चलो हम हमारे वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स के लिए कोई ऐसा कॉन्सेप्ट लॉन्च करते हैं, या हम उनके एक ऐसा नेटवर्क मीट करते हैं, या कुछ, तो मे बी मेरी टीम बोल देगी ये पहले हो चुका है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, नहीं नहीं ये वर्क नहीं करेगा, ये ऐसा होगा. I have actually, I'm old school person. मैं लैपटॉप और एक्सेल फाइल्स के बदले मैं बुक पेन पे सब कुछ लिखती हूँ. I love jotting down, writing, scribbling, reworking, drawing some maps. सब ऐसे करके मैं करती हूँ. And I actually show them a photograph. I have worked everything with numbers and with words. I know it will work. Even if somebody says no, maybe because I am at that position today and they say, okay, theek hai, you can go ahead. I go ahead. And even this happened, my biggest support system being my husband, he also may say, no, it won't work, but I still go ahead. And because you need to believe yourself. If you believe, at the most, what will happen? You will fail. That's it.
Brilliant. Brilliant. You make it sound.
आप fail हो जाओगे और क्या होगा?
You make it sound very simple. What are your most ambitious goals for the future? I'll ask you this question now. In the meanwhile, if the audience has any question that you want to ask Sonia,
I would like to see the 2 goals where I want to make every woman financially independent, because today, whenever they face any kind of problem in life, they want to take a divorce, they want to go separate, they want to stop working in life, they want to take a career break, they want to do anything. New, they have to be financially independent. And that's why, I feel that's one of my goals. And second thing is, as I said, that today we being in the 21st century of life, still there are a lot of problems that our women face. And that's where and they don't have, the trust issues. I have a best friend, but I am scared of talking to this friend that today if I tell her my problem that I'm unable to conceive, or my husband hits me, or my daughter has a problem, I'm unable to share this with my best friend because she may go and tell to another 10 people. I cannot trust this. So I want to break this culture of silence, and I want to make such a platform where they are able to share even anonymously and get the support of people. So at least she has that platform. She gets the support without her name being out.
Brilliant.
So maybe these are the 2 major goals today. Because problem कहाँ आ रही है ना नरेन, आज अगर मेरे पास कोई प्रॉब्लम्स है ना, मैं वो फियर के साथ कि यार लोग मुझे जज करेंगे, मेरे फ्रेंड्स, मेरी फैमिली, मैं अगर ये शेयर करूंगी, एक तो वो लीक हो जाएगी बात, सेकंड थिंग लोग मुझे जज करेंगे. ये 2 फियर की वजह से मैं लोगों को बता नहीं पाती हूँ मेरी प्रॉब्लम्स. बता नहीं पाती तो मैं मन ही मन में घुट रही हूँ. तो उसके बदले अगर मेरे को ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म मिलता है जहां मैं मेरा नाम छुपा के मेरी प्रॉब्लम शेयर कर सकूं और मुझे सपोर्ट मिल रहा है और मुझे उसके सॉल्यूशंस मिल रहे हैं, तो मैं एटलीस्ट मुझे वो मेरे मन से तो बाहर जा रही है और मुझे सपोर्ट मिल रहा है. सो दैट इज हाउ आई वांट टू वर्क ऑन इट.
Wow. Sonia, what you are saying might solve issue for millions.
It will.
And I deeply believe that till the women are free, a nation cannot be free. Incredible goal. And in case I can ever play any role in this, please feel free.
No, I can actually rely on you anytime, any day, Naren. I trust you so much. In fact, when this message call came from you to be a speaker here at the HPYS the summit, and I didn't even have to think about it because it was coming from you, and you know how much I trust you. So I just had to come here.
Thanks. I can see some questions. Not, I love this concept of anonymous posts. What would it take to participate in your Fula group on Facebook?
Okay, anybody who wants to be a member of Pula, basically it's a hyper city group, so it's only for people who have lived or living in the city of Pune. So one, you need to be on Facebook. Second thing, you need to be a female. So you can just go and find out Pula Pune ladies on Facebook and join the group. Of course. We, as I said, that we are very strict about quality. We just don't approve profiles. So your profile needs to show the city as Pune. And of course, your profile pic and all, we don't approve locked profiles. We are happy to have as many as the youth because you will add a lot of value to our group and help a lot of more people.
Brilliant. Sonia, I'll take this opportunity now to summarize what I have learned from you in today's session. In the meanwhile, if the audience wants to put in what is it that they learned or they absorbed, it will be beautiful. And then if we have time, I'll do one surprise rapid fire with Sonia. Every woman should be financially independent. Every woman should have anonymous support. And I overheard you saying when Parul was interacting with you that I want to break the culture of silence. So this suffering in silence, incredibly powerful thoughts and powerful vision. I loved it when you explained it so beautifully कि मैंने कुछ A से कही, A ने B को कही, B ने C को कही, C ने D को कही, और डी आके बताते हैं कि ए ने तुम्हारे बारे में ऐसे बात की. There is no guarantee that is exactly what A said. There is no guarantee that D का भी नेचर खराब है या इंटेंशन खराब है. क्लासिक चाइनीज विस्पर्स. तो अगर किसी ने तुम्हारे बारे में किसी के मुंह से ये सुना है, ऐसा बताया, और वो इंसान अगर आपके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो आप जाओ उनसे बात करो कि ऐसा इसने बताया है, बेसलेस भी हो सकता है, लेकिन अगर कोई शिकायत है तो मेरे को बात कर लो, लेट्स सिट एंड सॉल्व इट आउट. There's a very solid, mature approach to issues which come because of communication in relationships. Then you said, when you are successful, people are bound to speak about you and make opinions about you. And आजकल इतनी ट्रोलिंग होती है सोशल मीडिया में. Fundamentally, if somebody is doing something, I start thinking if I can express an opinion, I am smart. So, अगर आप कुछ खास कर रहे हो तभी आपके बारे में कोई टिप्पणी करता है, और अगर आपके बारे में कोई टिप्पणी कर रहा है, मतलब या तो कुछ सीखने के लिए होगा या तुम सही रास्ते पे होगे. दो ही तो चीज हो सकती. I love the power with you, which you say, I know who I am today, and I am very comfortable in being who I am today. I love the intensity with which you asked why so much importance to gender. I mean, gender इतना important क्यों है? Mind, intellect, emotion, spirit में तो सब एक ही है. Physically, a few parts are different. उसके अलावा पोटेंशियल्स में, ड्रीम्स में, डिजायर्स में, कैरेक्टर में तो जेंडर का कोई रोल ही नहीं है. So probably 1%, 1.5% is the important role which gender plays in life. तो थोड़ा उसको भाव अगर कम दें और पोटेंशियल, ड्रीम, सपोर्ट, लव, अफेक्शन, रेस्पेक्ट, ये सब चीजों में थोड़ा ध्यान ज्यादा दें, तो probably the world will be a much more beautiful place to live in. Then you mentioned something very beautiful. There will be many attractions in life. Choose which attraction do you want to follow or which attraction do you want to chase. So sometimes the attraction can be somebody saying ये बहुत cool है यार, एक बार करके देख तो सही. उसको चेस करना है क्या, क्योंकि बहुत सारे अट्रैक्शंस रहेंगे. तो choose what you want. And the simple solution that you gave, that 10% पैसा बचा लो. I will specially record that part and make my wife listen to it multiple times. On a lighter note, of course. And then when you said, be the cheerleader for your own dreams. Oh, what a powerful thought it is. मेरे पास एक सपना है, किसी और को वो समझ में आए नहीं आए, I have a right to do that, and I have a right to make my mistakes, and probably by making mistakes, I will also learn quite a lot in my life, quite a lot in life. So personally, Sonia, these are a few things that I have taken from you. Your 3 points, that every woman should be financially independent, anonymous support, and culture of silence. At a personal level also, I promised you that I'll work on these 3.
Thank you so much, Naren.
And I will always mention about you and where is it that I learned this from. Fortunately, as a life coach, I get to meet a lot of people. When we do Keep Moving movement, we meet a lot of people. Every year when we train 35,000 kids at school, about, let's say 50% are girls, so about 17,500 to 20,000 would be girls. Coming year, we are going to do it with at least 3.5 lakh students. So there, if we can make this reach to those 1,75,000 kids that gun for financial independence, seek support, and ensure that you don't suffer in silence, do something to break these chains, I think that will be a very, very beautiful way by which we can take care of our country and maybe humanity at large. So Sonia, have I been able to capture a few of your key points today?
Absolutely, very, very well summarized and very well captured. And because, you know, if I could just have 1 minute to share something. The entire summit is, you know, filled with a lot of youth today, and I manage something on social media, and my work is on social media, and my daughter is only 12, and she's in fact getting attracted to social media now itself, and you know, we stop her right, you know, at this age. So I would like to just share something that with all of you all. In fact, when Naren and me spoke last time, we spoke something about success, and that's what I was sharing with Naren, that today I am successful, but you know, this journey of success is people only see, you know, how happy I am, or what a lovely successful journey I've had, but that's not the fact. Today, if you see a person who's successful, and if I've chosen this journey, please understand that if you ever choose that journey, you need to also choose the rough path that you're going to choose. It's a very lonely journey. You need to choose to invest a lot of time, a lot of money. You need to sacrifice a lot of friendship, because a lot of friends may start disliking you. Success cannot be measured with the kind of likes and comments that, you know, you get on social media, on your Facebook and Insta. That's not how, you know, like today, if I put up a picture and people start giving me 2,000, 3,000 or 10,000 or a lakh likes, that can be done with a lot of filters that I put on my face, right? A lot of lovely designer clothes that I wear, or whatever work or something I do. It's not about the bank balance I have in my account, or how many awards I've won, or what page 3 party I'm attending. Is that what success is? You should always ask, is that what success is? That is, of course, an achievement that you've achieved. But what success actually means, or you know, what defines success is the journey. Is that, do you have memories while achieving this success? Have you had an amazing laughter when you sat with your friends? Did you have a lovely meal with your family? Are you satisfied in this journey? I think this is what is success for me today. I have a lovely family. I eat food with them. I get time to sit and have lunch and dinner with them. I take out time to meet my friends and enjoy and laugh with them. Am I satisfied with the work I'm doing, or am I pressurized to do that work?
Yeah.
I think these are what is success. And please remember, it definitely is a lonely journey. And you need to be ready to accept all this to become successful. It's not a program that you sign up for. It's a lifetime program, you could say.
Lifetime effort, na? Yeah.
You can't leave it. If you leave it, people will forget you. You need to keep working for it, and it's self-satisfaction. You don't work for people. It's success is for yourself. You don't do it for others.
Beautiful.
And there are 18 such speakers, and I'm sure there's so much to take away from every single person. Everybody is going to have so much experience to share. So it's going to be a lovely, lovely 3-day summit, I'm sure.